Hey gamers, welcome back to Compmania. Today, we're diving into the top 5 gaming PCs for 2024. Whether you're a competitive esports player or a casual gamer, we've got the best options for all budgets and gaming styles. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the Alienware Aurora R16, one of the best pre-built gaming rigs for 2024. Specs: CPU, Intel Core i9-14900KF. GPU, NVIDIA, GeForce RTX 4090. RAM, 32GB. DDR storage, 2TB. NVMe SSD. With its super sleek design and the power of the RTX 4090, this PC crushes 4K gaming with ease. Alienware also revamped their cooling system, so you can game longer without worrying about overheating. This computer assembly will allow you to get really stable FPS on 4K monitors with the same resolution. You can forget about upgrading your PC to the next generation of consoles. But I highly doubt that even future consoles will be able to give a better picture than this PC. In any case, you can always change the video card or another component. This build has a perfect balance between price and performance. Price: starting at around $3,300. It's a high-end powerhouse for serious gamers. Next on the list is the MSI Aegis RS 13th Gen, a perfect balance of power and affordability. Specs: CPU, Intel Core i7-13700KF. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080. RAM, 32GB DDR5. Storage, 1TB SSD plus 2TB HDD. This rig offers high performance for both 1440p and 4K gaming at a more affordable price. The RTX 4080 handles ray tracing really well, and the Intel i7 processor is excellent for multitasking and streaming. If the previous assembly is expensive for you, there is an option to simplify the components a little. This assembly from MSI will also allow you not to lower the graphics settings below Ultra, sacrificing several FPS. The price has decreased due to the processor of the previous generation, which has become cheaper and a less powerful video card. Price: around $2,200, a great value for what you get. Corsair has done it again with the VENGEANCE i7-6600 Gaming PC, a beast for high-performance gaming and content creation. Specs: CPU, Intel Core Ultra 9 285K. GPU, GeForce RTX 4090. RAM, 64GB DDR5. Storage, 2TB NVMe SSD. This PC is designed for both 4K gaming and creative work. The GeForce RTX 4090 performs amazingly in titles like Call of Duty 6 and GTA 6 at ultra settings. Plus, with 64GB of RAM, it's perfect for video editing and heavy multitasking. This assembly is the most expensive at the top. The assembly has a huge potential for those who are engaged in video editing or creating 3D games. Here are the top components from Intel and NVIDIA. Their performance is enough for several monitors with the game running on them, and a 4K image capture system for possible streams. Price: around $4,200, definitely a top-tier option for gamers and creators alike. For those of you looking for something a bit more affordable but still powerful, we've got the NZXT Player PC, 770 edition. Specs: CPU, Intel Core i7-14700KF. GPU, NVIDIA, GeForce RTX 4070. RAM, 32GB DDR5. Storage, 1TB SSD, 7-14700KF, is excellent for gamers who want great performance at 1440p with some 4K capability. Paired with the RTX 4070, it handles modern AA titles like a champ. This can be said to be a popular build. They tried to save as much as possible on secondary components, but not on graphics. If you only need games from your PC and you are not picky about 4K, then this PC will handle any modern games with ray tracing enabled. But you may have to add memory in a couple of years. Price: around $1,700. A solid, mid-range option for gamers looking for bang for their buck. Finally, we've got the CLX Set Intel Essential Gaming PC, a fully customizable gaming PC that lets you choose your components. Specs: CPU, Intel Core, i5-14400F. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. RAM, 16GB DDR4. Storage, 1TB SSD. The CLX Set is all about flexibility. You can build it to suit your budget and gaming needs. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly 1080p UC rig or a high-end 4K monster, CLX has you covered. This computer got into this rating because of its price. Since for your money you get a powerful gaming PC, of course you don't need to count on 4K image, but it holds 2K and 1080p image confidently. This computer was assembled for those who play online games such as Valorant, Fortnite, League of Legends, Dota 2, CS, where the assembly will show more than 100 FPS. Price: starting at $1,250, but you can customize it to go much higher depending on the components you choose. And that's a wrap. These are our top 5 gaming PCs for 2024, from high-end builds to budget-friendly options. Whether you're upgrading or building your first gaming rig, there's a PC here for everyone. If you have any questions or want to know more about any of these rigs, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming content. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Compmania, your go-to channel for all things gaming. See you in the next video.